So I have found the easiest way you can earn money and even gift cards for you to buy anything you want online, and all you just need is a computer, an internet connection, and even a mobile phone. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. So the site we're going to be using is called GameTame.com, right? So what you're going to be doing here is just very easy. All you just have to do is earn a couple of points, right? And then you get free gift cards and, well, Steam games too, which is like, wow, who doesn't use Steam, right? So as every other website, right, all you just have to do is register, right? Email and all that, password, and yeah, and it's free to join, and you just have to complete tasks and certain things they just tell you to do, and then you earn points, and then you redeem your rewards, right? And you download the Android app for it. They also have Discord, right? So you can join that Discord, and they can tell you different things that come up and all that stuff, right? It's a decent site. I can't say it's a really decent site, but they do have quite a collection of gift cards, right? They have Steam wallet codes, Amazon, G2A, PSN, all that stuff. Google Play, Roblox, Nord, Blizzard, Windows 10 keys, Spotify, Xbox Live, Discord, Nitro. So they really have like a lot of them. So let's say what you just have to do is, well, let me just choose an Amazon gift card, right? And they tell you how many points you need to redeem a certain amount. So $5 is 500 points. They have different types of cards, and yeah, which is really good. And if you don't want to earn, well, obviously you need to earn, but like they also have giveaways. So, well, entry fee is 2 points, so you actually need to earn a certain amount of points before you can actually join giveaways. And this is a good way to earn some points, but it's not always certain that you get points, because a lot of people will join these giveaways because they also believe that they're really good luck. So just there are different entry fees, 1 point depending on the amount of points that you're gonna be winning. And this is also a good way to earn, but I don't really think that most people will be lucky enough to earn this. Yeah, so I feel like you guys should go see this website and get yourself some gift cards. You can also, for the PUBG mobile users, you can also get yourself some unknown currency. Yeah, some UC, actually unknown currency. I don't remember what it's called. But anyways, I last played PUBG in a long time. So yeah, there it is, 600 UC for 900 points. So they really have a wide variety of gift cards. So you won't run out of any. This will get you through, and you can earn a lot of gift cards. And you can also join their family. I've actually never done this before, so you guys can go test that one out and see what you do and where you go. And here's the activity. You see the little board, recent points, users orders, so you can see how many people who are ordering gift cards, and they will email you the gift cards, and I think it takes about 24 hours, some also should be 24 hours, and then you'll be emailed your gift card code, and you can go redeem it. So there you go. There's the orders. This is people. I think this is the person. Yeah, these are the people that ordered them. So you can also be part of these recent ordered people. And this is a decent site, and you can really earn a good amount. And you guys can go check it out and tell me in the comment section if it is good or not. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. Thank you.